So this showed up today. Out of there. Jesus, check it out. Looks like it was packed pretty well. Well protected. I don't know what this thing is even made out of. It's probably aluminum. Yeah, it looks like it's made out of aluminum, but it is definitely powder coated. Pretty nice too. This thing looks pretty nice. Way better than what I expected. Here, let's take a closer look. So it's got what looks like slightly chamfered edges. It does have a nice little radius and bend here. This looks pretty good. It's got these 90-degree L brackets right here. These are welded on very nicely. Check out those welds right here. Very nice. Yeah, this is gonna look great. You can get this in a polished, or you can get it powder coated like this. I chose the powder coated one, but man, this is gonna look super, super nice, and it's gonna add a really nice low profile look to your F-100 Ford. Welcome to TinkeredDiesel Garage. My name's Phil, and check this out. This is gonna mount directly to the bottom of your existing stock bumper on the front, and it just gives it a really nice kind of classic lowrider look when you mount this up to the bottom of your existing stock bumper, and it just makes it look really clean and almost just timeless. A really fantastic look. You can get this in a 3-inch or a 4-inch wide Valence, so pay close attention when you're ordering this thing. I actually messed up, and Mr. Woodby himself called me on the phone and just to confirm to make sure that I was ordering the right one, and I actually screwed this thing up. I ended up ordering a 4-inch, and I needed to order the 3-inch. So this came from Woodby Valances. It's owned by John Woodby, and he's got a nice niche in the F-100 world where he's making these for 1961 all the way up through the 80s. So all the different body styles of trucks. And they're basically aluminum front valences that mount directly to the bottom of your existing bumper using these L brackets right here. So this one right here is for 61 to 77. You can see that right there, 61 to 77. And it's the 3-inch right here. It is a super easy installation, and we're gonna go through the full install, and then I'll give you some nice walk around looks to show you what it's gonna look like when it's actually on the truck. So let's get started. All right, welcome to this. This is my 1970 F-100 long bed pickup truck, and it does have a Crown Vic. It's been lowered, and it's got some QA1 front coilovers on it, and it does have a Mustang GT rear IRS. And so check out the front bumper here. This is a stock style bumper. It's not the original bumper, obviously, but it is a stock bumper. And on this one, I think I got it from LMC Truck. I don't think this one came from AMD, but it is a stock bumper. So let's see what this thing is going to look like. Let me hold it up here real quick, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I dig it. Cool. So you see how this works is these right here are going to come up and hook up on top of the bottom of your bumper right here. So it just sits right up in there, sits right on top, and lays right on top the bottom of that bumper. We are going to have to drill some holes here in the bumper. Once we drill those holes, we'll put some bolts in there, some 1/4-20 bolts, and hold it on. And it's that easy to install. All right, so I'm going to be using these grade 8 bolts right here, so they won't rust or anything like that. I'm going to have a flat washer on top, and then I'm going to have a lock washer on bottom along with the nut. I'm also going to put them on like this, going up from the bottom of the bumper. Then you've got the bumper, and then you've got the Valence L bracket, and then on top of that is where I'll put the flat washer and then the nut. and I'll fly you guys under there and show you guys that here in a second. All right, so let's go down up underneath here and look. Basically, all I've done so far was drill the holes, and I ran the bolts through, but I didn't torque anything down yet. I want to leave a little bit of room to make a little bit of adjustment, then kind of lock it down. But you can see here, you drill the hole, you line it up, you mark it with a marker, drill through. It's going to be a 1/4 inch drill bit. You use some 1/4 bolts here, and you're going to just go all the way across. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes you'll have to drill here, and then mount that up. So if you look here, you see where the bracket is right there. It's going to sit right on top of your bumper. It's going to sit right on top of your bumper. Then you'll run your bolt up through here, right through there, and put the nut on the other side and tighten it down. Super easy install. Minimal cost, minimal work, but a really, really nice looking effect on the truck. So let's button this thing up and get it finished. So if you're interested in picking up a valance for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to Woodby Valances to pick up yours.